Alright everyone, that was extremely fast. This is video for filler number 3. Let's see if we can get a winner here. Looking for top spot. We're live, 239. Come on, 239. List here. We have 10 entries. Dwayne on the top, Michael on the bottom. We need 2 dice, 5 or higher. We got 7 times at 239. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. We got Dwayne. Must go. Why does it do that? Must go 7. Good luck at 239. 239. Last final roll. Top spot gets it. Congratulations goes to spot 6. Dwayne. Congratulations, Dwayne. Go ahead and pick your spot in the main. In order we won. Or in order. Well, just pick your spot. You only won that one. We're done at 240. 240. Congratulations, Dwayne. Sorry, everyone else. Thanks for playing. Take care.